Hey guys, welcome to Touch Life Studio. Thank you for stopping by again. I have two great news to announce. First one is I have, with much thanks to all of you guys, been able to reach 500 subscribers. I know it's not a big deal. I know it's not much of the audience compared to many other YouTubers, but the way I'm thinking about it, it's a full school of elementary kids. So I got a lot of fans and I really appreciate it. The second announcement I want to make is I have finally received my 24-270 f2.8, and boy, I am so excited about this one. Guys, if you want me to make any special reviews about this lens compared to lenses, please let me know. I'll do my best if I get a hold of some other lenses to make a comparison to. Now, I had to, to fund this project, I had to sell some of my awesome equipment, which I really dearly miss. But knowing where the technology is going, I think this is going to be more of a future. So that's all I have to say, guys. I really appreciate all your subscriptions, all your subs and likes and questions. In fact, I will probably provide a lot of comments and details and reviews on this specific lens. My wonderful Z6 II as well. This is a 50mm f1.8, and so this is going to be 24-70 f2.8. So guys, thank you so much for all your questions and all your likes. I will do my best to provide more feedback with my responses. For more material like this, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already yet, and I will make more content like this for viewers like you. Thank you. What do I say? What do I say? For more content like this, please hit that bell. That doesn't go very well. I need to come up with a better outro. I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. You know? Tell me what to say. I don't know what to say. This is embarrassing.